I'm about to go big sister on you and share some advice that your future self will be so grateful for. So if you are about to do what the rest of the world is doing this week and finally putting together your front porch flower pots, here's some advice. Make sure that you keep a list of all the flowers that you pick out this year and keep meticulous notes, keep it in your phone app. So list out all of the flower varieties that you use in each pot, and then a little description so you know what they look like, you'll remember why you love them. And then also take some photos of those finished pots so that next year when it's time to do this all over again, you don't have to wander through all of the aisles of the nursery trying to remember what you love. You can just look back at those notes and at those photos, write out your list, bring it to the nursery, go directly to the source, and you will be able to plant perfect pots that you love every time.